Welcome to Mindfulete. This session is designed to help you recover, not just your body, but your mind. If this helps you reset, hit like and subscribe for more Mindfulete meditations. Start by letting your shoulders drop. Let the breath fall out of you, like you've been holding it all day. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Pressure has a way of stacking quietly. You carry it in your jaw, your chest, your thoughts. Sometimes it feels like effort itself has weight. But recovery doesn't come from pushing harder. It begins when you stop fighting your own mind. Picture a flame that's been burning too long. Bright, fierce, but thinning. Now imagine that same flame learning to breathe again. Air flows in, heat steadies. It's not gone out, it's conserving. You're the same way. You don't lose strength, you renew it. Feel your breath move through tired muscles. Each inhale, oxygen feeding recovery. Each exhale, tension leaving the system. Scan your body from head to toe. Jaw unclenched, shoulders low, hands soft. You don't need to perform right now. You just need to recharge. Now bring to mind one thought that's been looping. The pressure, the noise, the expectation. Picture it as chalk dust in the air. With every slow breath, it settles. The room clears, the mind clears. You can't rebuild when your system is still bracing for impact. This is your reset. Feel how calm doesn't mean empty. It means controlled. It means deliberate. This stillness you're in, this is power returning. When you move again, move from recovery, not reaction. From clarity, not chaos. You've slowed the system, reconnected to what's steady, and rebuilt the base of your strength. Say quietly in your mind, I recover fully, I rebuild quietly, I rise steady. If this helps you reset from pressure or burnout, like the video and subscribe for more Mindfulete meditations.